Students, now we are going to solve question number 8 of the exercise number 13.8. Okay. Remaining questions you will do by yourself, and if you got any problem, then you will ask me in the doubt clearing session. Okay. A dome of a building, you know what is the dome? It is the building, and it is the dome means in this way. It is in the shape of hemisphere. From inside, it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.56. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and the volume of air inside the dome. Students, we have discussed earlier that rate into area is equal to cost, isn't it? If we have to find the rate, we have to find the area, then cost upon rate. समझ में आ रहा है? रेट इंटू एरिया इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट. जितना एरिया है, जितने के भाव से हमको काम करना है, इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिसाइड करता है कितना टोटल कॉस्ट होगा. एंड इफ यू want to find the area, then cost upon rate. Here cost is given 498.96 and the rate is given 2. So first answer will be find by dividing 498.96 by 2. Isn't it? And second question, what is the air inside the volume? Volume of the air inside the dome. That means we have to find the volume of the dome, that is hemispherical dome. So let us solve. First part, inside surface area of the dome is equal to 498.96 upon 2, that is 249.48 rupees, centimeter, meter square. Clear? Second one, volume of the before finding volume we have to find the radius. Okay, here inside surface area of the volume, that is 2 pi r square. Volume of a sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and this 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48, isn't it? Now 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square is equal to 24948 upon 100, or r square is equal to 24948 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 100. Students, after solving this, you will get r square is equal to 3969, and this implies r is equal to 60 upon 100, r is equal to 63 upon 10. That means 6.3 meter. R is equal to 6.3 meter. Now we will find the volume inside the volume of the dome is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube, that is 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 6.3 whole cube. And after solving this, you will find that the volume of the dome is 523.9 मीटर क्यूब, 523.9 मीटर क्यूब। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? स्टूडेंट्स मैं यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसका जो रिजल्ट है वो लिख रहा हूँ, आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, बिकॉज इफ आई एम डूइंग हियर सॉल्विंग दिस पार्ट इट विल टेक टाइम। ओके, सो यू कैन सॉल्व बाय योरसेल्फ एंड यू विल फाइंड द आंसर विल बी 523.9 मीटर क्यूब। ओके, so students pause the video to be noted down.